All right, so now we have the data, the source, and the target. We're going to just start mapping left and right, from left to right. So we have the STO1. We can do create a map link, or again, we can drag and drop. The BEG, we do O2, O3, and then O5. Notice that here we skip 4 and we skip 6, 7, 8, and all that, all the way to 12. So currency we don't do, we do the FOB segment here. The first thing we do is create a cardinality link, and then we do O1, and then the ITD. Okay, let me close some of these so it looks cleaner. So the ITD to the ITD. Again, we can do this, and he knows that it's going to be a cardinality link. And then O1, O2, O6, 7, and 12 for the description. So again, here we have the numbers, right? But your data, you may have names. So it may be terms, net days due, or whatever. In this case, we have the segment and then the elements here. That's what the E means. Element O1, element O2, so on and so forth. So that's how I know where what goes. In your case, you need to get yourself familiarized with the data and understand what is it that they want there. And if you don't know, you ask the business people, what is it, where do you want this? The best way to do it is to give them a piece of the data, give them an output, and then run it through into the ERP, and they can see what they're getting. Okay, so the loop N9 does appear. Again, this is not in order, so be aware of that. See, like the LIN is the item, the ID, MEA. Here's the N9. So I'm not gonna map this just to make it quicker, but you see what I'm doing. Also, I'm gonna show you farther down the line. I'm gonna show you some tricks that you might want to be aware of. Okay, here's the N1. So I'm going to do the cardinality link here and here. And then the O1, the O, we don't have the O2, but we want the O3, we want the O4, and the N2, we want the name, and again, we want the cardinality link, N3, the N3 address O1, we don't care about the O2, the N4, create cardinality link, city, N1, O2, and O3, and then loop PO1,